figured I can do a little bit of a recap because I decided not to vlog on our entire trip. I just vlogged for the Switzerland trip that you probably already saw, which is Grindelwald vlog. But for a little recap, what do we do? So the day after Grindelwald, we decided we wanted a bit of a chill lake day. So we went to a lake called Lake Brienz, which is about a 30-minute train ride from Grindelwald. And Lake Brienz is pretty much like Italy in Switzerland. Like if you're trying to find a cute little quaint local town where you can escape the tourism of Switzerland, Lake Brienz is literally perfect. We went back to the hotel. We actually ordered some local pizza, walked down to the river in Grindelwald, and it was the perfect evening. What you don't see is that the picnic was kind of right next to like a camping ground. So that was funny. The next day we checked out of our hotel. We traveled to Lucerne. Spent one night there to kind of break up the trip to go to France. Lucerne was a city. We were pretty exhausted at this point. It was raining that day. Anyways, we're here now. And in short, this trip was actually for Alejandro's sister's 30th birthday, and unfortunately Natalia was not able to come. Natalia, we love you. So sad you were not able to come. It's very unfortunate. And their parents were going to come as well. And it is now just Ollie and I in this chalet. So we will be having a good time, but we are definitely missing family. So, and you guys, there's sheep and there's horses and there's like cows over there. You can like already hear the bells on the cows because all the cows here wear bells, and you can like hear them trying to find them because you can like tell where they're at. It's like all I've ever wanted. When in France, we eat cheese, and you guys, yet again, second trip to France, and it doesn't hurt my stomach. I'm making sure I don't overdo it, because even if it doesn't mess with my stomach, I want to make sure it doesn't mess with, like, my face. Sometimes it gives me acne. Hasn't yet. And this is, I think I'm eating brie, which is like, is usually the worst for my stomach. I haven't seen the sheep or not. I think the sheep come in this area during the evening. At least that's where they were yesterday. And but as soon as they come this way, I'll make sure to film and show you guys. Last night we were playing jazz music on our phones. They were running up to it. They love jazz music. It's enough cheese for now.
3, 4, watch me work it. I'm perfect.
Okay, I suck at vlogging, but you didn't really miss much. We ran into the town of Munster, did a little stroll. We were gonna see if there were any of the bars or restaurants that were worth, or the hotels that were worth popping into. And they looked cool, but we kind of decided not to go tonight. So we just did a little stroll around downtown, hopped into some stores, and now we're back. So we are now going to cook some dinner. And on the menu, I don't really know what carb I'm putting with it yet. And honestly, it might just have to be pasta again because that might be all we have. But I have trout. I have 2 big, like, raw fish that I gotta figure out how to cook. And I'm very excited to do that. And then we'll probably have tomatoes, onions, garlic, all that fun stuff along with it. So yes, it should be a very peaceful evening.
Get through it. Oh yeah.
Give her a test.
Just gonna take the whole.
Okay. You can use a spoon to get, yeah. Is it good?
Really good. So fresh. That's true. Did you pan cook it or?
Yeah.
Did a great job.
Oh well.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's better than a restaurant.
Even though family wasn't able to join us on the trip, we really made the most of it, and I just feel so blessed to have been able to spend time here. Really got a taste of what the French slow living really looks like. There's something in me that really feels so deeply that this is the way we were created to live. It's almost like everyone here is so busy worrying about themselves, their family, the land, their neighbors, that there is no time for comparison, negative thoughts, or getting distracted on social media. I'm already looking forward to the next time we can visit and reconnect with nature and even though we live in such a beautiful place, I just never want to lose the wanderlust of visiting new places like this and continually being in awe of the beauty of things that are outside of where we currently are. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'm very excited to see you in my next one.